So bonsoir, bon appétit. I got a request, and well, how do the French make a hamburger? So I'm going to show you how to do that. And in French, it's called Bifteck Haché. And basically, you're going to need just a few simple ingredients. The prep time is longer than typically you would make a hamburger. So it's a lot different, but you should try it. It's very tasty, very good. Typically, they don't serve it with a bun. Sometimes they put an egg on it, but yummy. So what you're going to need is you're going to need some lean hamburger meat. You're going to need some lean hamburger meat. You're going to need 2 shallots. You're going to need some garlic. I'm using 3 cloves. Some parsley, about a tablespoon. I chopped a little more just in case. I'm going to use it with my smashed potatoes, which you can check my description for a link to how to do that. You're going to need 1 egg, a nutmeg, and some salt and ground coarse black pepper. Now you're going to need about a tablespoon of butter, which I already threw in this pan. So I'm just going to drop my onions in there, and I'm going to put it on a low heat. That's going to take about 15 minutes to prepare. In the meantime, I'm going to take my garlic. I'm just going to drop it in my little smasher here. You can do it by hand, but if you're in a hurry, this is a great way to do it. There we go. One more. This one kind of slipped out. There we go. All right. That's plenty. Oh. All right. And we're going to drop that in there. We're going to just stir this into the butter. Now you want to put the heat all the way low. You do not want to brown this. And it takes about a good 10, 12 minutes, depending on your stove, the heat on it. But you want to go slow and easy, and you don't want to color it. Excuse me. In the meantime, we're going to take our burger. No salt right now. I'm just going to add a lot of nice coarse black pepper. 2, 3 good tablespoons. Well, 3 good pinches, not tablespoons. We're going to take some nutmeg. And some fresh nutmeg here. You can use powder if you don't have the. I just prefer. And about, let's say a 1/4 teaspoon. That's plenty. All right, that in there. And take a tablespoon of parsley. So that's a tablespoon is usually a good pinch, like that. Drop it in there. The French love parsley. They really do. Put it in a lot of things. Okay, what am I missing? I'm missing my onions and my garlic. So, and my egg. We're going to drop my egg in there. You can whisk it before you put it in there, or you can just throw it whole, whatever you prefer. I still got some garlic on here. I don't want to waste that. So anyways, we got to wait for this to be ready. Once this is ready, we're going to put that, after it cools, we're going to put that in there, and we're going to mix it with our hands. And I'll show you what we do next. So hang in there. Okay, well, we're back. So my onion and garlic softened. I should say my shallot and my garlic softened. And I'm going to drop it in my minced steak here. Hamburger meat. You can use beef, you can use steak. I think the steak has a better flavor to it. I have to get your hands dirty here. So what you're going to do is just mix this and work it in. So I'm just going to break the egg, And mix it. Make sure you have clean hands. Wash them. Or you can use gloves. I don't like using gloves. I know I'm going to get some comments, but I don't. I wash my hands. And you know what? I've been doing this for a long time. I've never got somebody sick. Not once. All right. So, mushing this really good. And I think we're pretty good here. Beautiful. All right. Now, you're just going to take a ball. Just like you're making a meatball. You're going to put it on a big plate. You're trying to divide it into 4 even ones. And you can add to it later. That one's a little bigger. That's okay. I can adjust. Oh, I've got to put my apron. I get in trouble when I do that. Well, it'll be okay. I'll put it on for when we cook it. All right. So, almost there. And what you're doing is you're squeezing it to get the air out of it. There we go. I've got some left, so take this one, my first one, back in there, and use the rest. I don't like to waste. Ooh, there we go. All right. Okay, once you've done that, space them out and gently just push down. Like that. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to cover it and put it in the fridge for 1 hour. And we'll be back. Not complicated, delicious. So we'll see you in a few minutes. Okay, we're back. Let's get our... So they've been in the fridge for over an hour, about an hour and a half actually. And I'm just gonna drop these guys in here. And we're just gonna cook them up. I'm gonna take my potatoes that I boiled. Drop them in here. And I'm just going to take my palm, smash, take my palm, smash lightly, smash, there we go. That one slipped. Sometimes I want to slip to the side, just readjust your palm, there we go. That one, there we go. Beautiful. Okay, now, where's my kitchen towel? Here it is. Now, we're going to season that. And I got this on a pretty high heat, and then I'll lower it. I'm putting a generous amount of pepper. Now I'm going to salt my Bifteck Haché hamburgers. Okay, so if you see that, it looks nice. I'm going to just drizzle that with a little olive oil. So when I turn it, it's easier. All right. Now I boiled these for about 10 minutes, 12 minutes, something like that. And we're just going to drop that in there. Actually, I don't know what I'm doing now. Easiest way is slide it in. There we go. Okay, now just put them in there and leave them alone. My beef haché is cooking nicely. And I'm just going to take my spatula, press down, and now that it's smoking a lot, I don't want my potatoes right on that. I do want the juice to come in there. So you can do this all in one pan. If you don't have a cast iron, a regular pan will work, no problem. But you got to be patient now. I would say about 7 minutes on each side. What you want is a really crusty burger, and you can cook it how you want. I recommend a medium cook on these, and just flip them when you want. All right, so I'm on camera, so I tend to want to flip it early, and I don't want to do that. So I'm going to pause this till I'm ready to flip it. We'll be right back. All right, we're back. So that's about 4 minutes. This is what you're looking for. Very crispy. Put that down. I lowered the heat. So now I'm going to put my smushed potatoes, mashed potatoes, whatever you want to call it. There we go. And we're going to season that. There we go. A little more pepper. Not much. All right. This should be ready in about a minute or two. And yeah, I'm just going to serve this, and when it's done, which will be a couple minutes, and it's feeling almost there, but needs a couple minutes. So I'll show you how that looks like. And yeah, français, bon appétit. So my Bifteck Haché with my smashed potatoes, or with a little parsley, and it's ready to be served. So I am going to take it off, and I'm going to let the meat rest before I call folks over. Oh, might want to loosen it first. We're just going to put some potatoes. Now you can serve this with an egg. Very popular in France. You can make also one of my sauces in bolognese sauce, or you can make Bernese sauce. You can make, oh my gosh, many different sauces. And I have videos to all those. In this case, we're just going to eat it simple and quick. Yeah, once in a while, that's all right. Anyways, I hope this answers your question on how to make a French hamburger, Bifteck Haché. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you, my subscriber, for requesting this. Bonsoir, bon appétit.